There was a time when Meera lived alone in a spacious flat, almost too big for one person. During the day, Meera was at the office, surrounded by people and the noise of work. But come evening, Meera returned to complete silence. The flat, cold and quiet, welcomed me like a stranger each night. Meera's routine was simple. Meera came home, take a brief rest for an hour or two, have dinner, and then go to sleep. Everything was perfectly normal until that night. After finishing dinner, Meera lay down on my bed as usual. But something felt different. The air in the room was oddly still, heavy, almost watching me. Meera had a strange sensation, like I wasn't alone. A chill ran down my spine. Meera sat up, heart pounding. Telling herself it was just my imagination, Meera got up and checked every room, the kitchen, the balcony, even the bathroom. Nothing. No signs of anyone. The flat was as empty as always. But the feeling wouldn't go away. Trying to stay calm, Meera switched on all the lights in my room and the drawing room. The brightness brought a bit of relief, until Meera noticed something that froze me in place. There was a faint, foul smell in the air, like something old, damp, and rotting. And then, in the corner of my eye, Meera saw it. A shadow. It wasn't just the play of light. It moved, quickly, slipping from one corner of the room to another, like it was watching Meera, taunting Meera. Meera couldn't breathe. Meera's hands trembled. But what could Meera do? Meera was alone, and there was no one to call. Meera had to face it, whatever it was. For an hour, Meera lay awake, frozen in fear, staring at the ceiling, unable to sleep. Somehow, Meera drifted off. The next morning, exhausted and still shaken, Meera approached the landlord and asked him directly if anything strange had ever happened in the flat. He looked uncomfortable and quickly denied knowing anything. But just as Meera was about to leave, an elderly neighbor called out to Meera from across the hallway. With a serious look, she said, "You felt it too, didn't you?" Meera stood there, silent. She then told Meera a story. Years ago, a man had lived alone in that very flat. One night, under mysterious circumstances, he died. His body was discovered days later. Since then, no one had stayed in that flat for long. Every tenant had left within weeks, terrified and unwilling to speak about their experiences. Meera shared what Meera had seen. She nodded solemnly and advised Meera to leave immediately. Meera didn't wait another night. Meera moved into a different flat across town. The first night in the new place, sleep didn't come easy. Meera kept checking the corners of the room, afraid Meera might see that shadow again. But nothing happened. Slowly, life returned to normal. And yet, even now, in the silence of night, when shadows stretch across the walls, Meera sometimes remembers that flat. And Meera wonders, did I really leave it behind?